Unlocking the mystery. Complete the square. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's video where we're diving into an intriguing aspect of learning English and mathematics, the phrase, complete the square. Whether you're a student, a teacher, or just a lifelong learner, understanding this concept can open up new ways of solving problems and thinking critically. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery together. Complete the square is a mathematical method used primarily in algebra. It's a technique to transform a quadratic equation of the form x2 plus bx plus c equals 0 x squared plus bx plus c equals 0 x2 plus bx plus c equals 0 into a perfect square trinomial, making it easier to solve. But why is it called complete the square? Imagine you have a partial square. This method helps you add what's missing to make it a full, perfect square. It's about filling in the gaps to make our equation more manageable. This technique is not just about solving equations, it's about simplifying complexity. In learning English or any language, understanding such phrases enhances our ability to grasp more complex subjects. Complete the square is important because it gives us a straightforward way to solve quadratic equations, which are fundamental in various areas of mathematics and science. It's a tool that empowers students and professionals alike to tackle challenges with confidence. 1. Start with a quadratic equation in the form x2 plus bx plus c equals 0 x squared plus bx plus c equals 0 x2 plus bx plus c equals 0. 2. If AAA is not 1, divide the entire equation by AAA to normalize it. 3. Rearrange the equation so that the constant term, CCC, is on the other side. 4. Take half of the coefficient of xxx, which is BBB, square it, and add it to both sides of the equation. 5. Now, you have a perfect square trinomial on one side. This can be written in the form x plus p, 2, x plus p, squared, x plus p, 2, where PPP is the number you added. 6. Solve for xxx by taking the square root of both sides and then solving the resulting linear equation. Let's apply this to real life. Imagine you're trying to optimize a garden layout or minimize the cost of materials for a project. By using the complete the square method, you can model these situations with quadratic equations and find the most efficient solutions. It's a powerful example of how abstract mathematical concepts are applicable in our daily lives. Thank you for joining me in today's journey through the concept of complete the square. It's a fascinating example of how language and mathematics intersect, providing us with tools to solve problems and understand the world around us. I hope this video has shed light on the subject and inspired you to explore more. Remember, every equation is a puzzle waiting to be solved, and every word is a key to unlocking its secrets. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.